A mother and father say they feel their son's health is being neglected right now while he's serving a 60-day sentence in the Cumberland County Jail.
The parents recognize their son is in jail for a reason, but having his health concerns dismissed should not be part of his sentence. News Center Maine's Raya Wooten sits down with the family and the Cumberland County Jail sheriff to get answers, revealing new information for the family.
If someone keeps calling saying they're sick and they're not doing anything, we have no way of verifying that to be true or not true.
Ronald White says he has spent roughly 2 weeks trying to ensure that his son, who is an inmate at the Cumberland County Jail, is physically okay.
I just want, proof that that he's going to be fine, from a reliable source.
Every phone call from his son in the last few weeks makes him more and more worried. It started with his son saying he was having severe headaches and being denied pain medicine.
He asked for Tylenol. Took him 7 days to get him Tylenol.
Then quickly escalating to his son telling him his eyes were possibly infected and swollen shut.
His eyes are shut, like they're swollen shut.
Swollen
that sounds
shut.
pretty serious.
Yeah, it's serious. One reason being is he's legally blind in one eye.
White says he and his wife have constantly called the jail, claiming that sometimes they're unable to get through the line. They're concerned about neglect. Cumberland County Jail Sheriff Kevin Joyce says he's confident neglect isn't a factor.
We're going to hold inmates in a safe, secure manner and do it humanely. So we stand by that.
Sheriff Joyce says Sean White was admitted to the hospital on Thursday, but when I talked to his parents Friday morning, they were completely unaware.
What's your policy when there are claims of neglect that are made? If in this case that's what's happening, what do you all do following those claims?
Well, I'll ask for a written statement to find out exactly what neglect is. Neglect is a pretty big word,
What's your policy when someone is claiming that they are being denied proper medical attention?
I would get a statement from those claiming it to find out what is exactly that.
And then what?
And then have somebody look into it.
How would you all look into it?
We'd have it investigated.
In Portland, Raya Wooten, News Center, Maine.
Now, Raya called Ronald to tell him that his son was in the hospital after she spoke with Sheriff Joyce, and he said he feels like if his son's health was addressed sooner, he wouldn't have had to go to the hospital. Ronald also says they called both hospitals in the Portland area and could not verify that their son was a patient at either one.